Hey guys, so today I'm going to be filming my everyday makeup routine because I haven't done one of these in a very long time and I feel like it's actually changed quite a lot even in like the past few weeks because I've tried out a lot of new stuff and so much of it has been so successful that it's like made its way into my everyday makeup. So I thought it was a good time to let you guys know what I am now using. So not only have I been trying out a load of new makeup recently, I've also been testing a new brush set for you guys and I absolutely love it. I've been trying it out to see if it would make its way into my everyday makeup routine to decide whether it was going to be in this video, and 100% it has made its way there. So I am going to be using these brushes from Iconic London. They have very kindly sponsored this video and they've also sent over a brand new set of these brushes just so that I can show you them when they're nice and clean, and this is exactly what they come like if you would like to buy them. So this is Iconic London's Blogger Choice brush set and it is the perfect little kit. It comes with so many brushes. I am going to show them to you guys in a minute, but yeah, they're just like the essential brushes that you need to do your makeup. So this is the perfect kit, I think. So it comes in this really cute little makeup bag which you can obviously use to store the brushes, or you could store your makeup in it. It's actually a really nice sized makeup bag and it looks really nice. So yeah, you get a makeup bag with the brushes and then inside you get all of these guys. They are so cute as well. They are very attractive brushes. I feel like they were made for me. They are so like my aesthetic. They've got the rose gold and then they are so damn soft. You need to stroke them. Look, can you tell by my finger doing that how soft it is? And this is the powder brush. This is the fan brush, which is perfect for highlighting, or I know a lot of people also use it to do contour. It also comes with a foundation buffer brush, which is obviously pretty self-explanatory, good for buffing in your foundation. This one is the angled contour brush, so it's similar to the other one, but it's just on an angle, so it's quite good for blending in contour, especially like cream contour and stuff like that. This one's pretty nifty, and I didn't really have anything like this until now, and it's just like a little flat kind of contoury brush, but it's really perfect for fitting in there. Like, it's that perfect shape, so I really like that one. This is the angled blush brush, which is obviously perfect for the apples of your cheeks to apply your blush. So this one is like a tapered fluffy brush, perfect for applying your highlighter, or maybe you could use it for powdering under your eyes. So it also comes with 3 eyeshadow brushes. You've got a blending brush, which is pretty perfect for putting through your crease, and then you've got a slightly smaller one which is really perfect for going just right in that little bit there, or applying like your inner corner highlighter. And then this one is perfect for just packing on the colour on your eyelid. So I have new eyeshadow brushes. It was about time, wasn't it? About time. So it also comes with a little angled brush. This is perfect for applying like a brow pomade to your eyebrows, or you could probably use it for eyeliner. But it also comes with another really tiny brush. This is so small. I think this would be so perfect for eyeliner. And yeah, those are all of the brushes. I dropped one. These retail for £69.99. However, Iconic London have very, very kindly given you guys a discount code, so you can get 20% off if you use the code Sophie Louise 20. I will leave it on the screen here. So I think that's really good. You get a little discount code if you want to try these out for yourself. Also, they are vegan and cruelty free. Almost forgot that, but that's a very good point. I think that's so good. So I'm going to get on with the video now. So I'm going to start off with my foundation, and the one that I've been using literally non-stop since I rediscovered it in a testing video. I think it was last week, or was it 2 weeks ago? I don't know. It is the EX1 Invisiwear Liquid Foundation. I really like this. I've got the one in the shade, probably the palest, 1.0, which I think is the palest one. And I've actually really been enjoying using a buffing brush again. It just reminds me of when I used to do my makeup like ages ago. I sometimes use a blending sponge, as you guys know. I've really been liking using this since I've been testing these brushes out. I feel like it makes blending in my foundation really easy, and it's just, I think because it's so soft and it's really easy to just kind of like stipple it and then blend it. I don't know, it leaves it looking really nice. So I've really been enjoying using that. And as you can see, the foundation is like a perfect match for me. I always struggle finding foundations that match, but this guy matches pretty damn well. So what is all this? I just think it matches really well. So I'm loving this at the moment. And then for concealer, I'm going up in the world. I've been using an Urban Decay all-nighter concealer. I tried this recently and I can't stop using it. I absolutely love it. This was in the shade Fair Warm and I think it works really well. So I'm just going to put a bit of that under my eyes. So I never really used to bother with contour, but recently I discovered that using this concealer, it's the Model Zone Cover It Concealer in the shade 04 Tan, it works so well as a cream contour, so I've been absolutely loving using this. This angled brush is so good for blending in cream contour because you can kind of like stipple it on, so it's really good for liquids, and then it's got that like angled shape to make it really good for contour. Yeah, who knew that I'd be liking doing cream contour? So now I need to powder my face, and you guessed it, Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. This is probably the same powder that I used, well, not the exact same one, that'd be a bit old, but the same powder product that I used in my very first everyday makeup video that I ever filmed on my YouTube channel. So yeah, I'm just gonna powder my face, and I'm gonna use this very, very soft powder brush, like so soft. You can't beat a nice, soft, new brush, like it's very nice. Anyway, I'm gonna powder my face. There we go. Now that I am all powdered and everything's set down, I'm now going to, what am I doing next? Oh, I'm holding it. I was like looking down there like, wait, what am I doing next? I'm holding it for the mirror. I'm now gonna just like bronze up my face a little bit. This brush is actually really good if you kind of like mess up a little bit and you go a bit too low with your contour. I think I possibly have today. I don't think it's looking as good as normal. It's really good if you want to take like a powder of some form and just like kind of like neaten it up and crisp up the line, because it is that perfect like straight line. You can really just kind of like get it across there and then like neaten it. Anyway, bronzer. As you guys know, I do actually like to bronze my face with powder brushes. Like I like using a big brush because it just sort of distributes it quite nicely. Take a little bit of bronzer. This is the Sleek Face Form Kit. There we go. I have now bronzed up my face a little bit, just kind of like warmed it up a bit. And I'm now going to use a bit of blush. I actually use the blush from the same palette, so the Sleek Face Form Kit blush. The little angled blush brush, which is so good, just to like, look at that. Perfect for in like the apples of your cheeks. So yeah, take a little bit of that and tap it off. There we go. So that has just added like a tiny little bit of pink, but it's also added a little bit of like a highlight as well, which I really like. And then yeah, for highlight, I sometimes use this, but I usually, more often than not, use my Makeup Revolution Skin Kiss highlighter in Ice Kiss. I've whacked out the big boy today. I normally use my little like travel version of it that, what am I trying to say? Came in an advent calendar. That's almost out now, so we're moving on to the big boy. This is a big highlighter, like that is big. Yeah, it just looks a little bit like that. I really like this highlighter. It's one of my favorites. Yeah, for highlighter, you could either use your fan brush if you like that. I think this is good if you like it a little bit more natural. It kind of like distributes it a little bit more, I don't know, a little bit more evenly instead of it just being like into one place. But I prefer it to be a little bit more intense. So I'm gonna use the tapered brush. I think this is the perfect size just to go across here. So yeah, I'm gonna take a bit of my highlighter and highlight my face with it. Surprise, surprise. Look at that. Look at it. It is such a good highlighter. I absolutely love it. I think this is going to be my fave forever. And I mean, a good job too, because it's going to last me a long time. So I'll probably still have this when I'm old and grey. There we go. So that is my highlighter. I'm just going to pop a little bit on the end of my nose and a little bit down here, all highlighted. And I'm now going to move on to my eyebrows. Oh, well, that's not so good. I've had quite a few comments recently asking me to actually get closer to the camera when it gets to like this part of my face. So I'm gonna try that today. We're gonna try a slightly more like close up and personal shot. So, right, I'm coming in. I have still been using my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, forgot the name then. I've been using this one, it's in the shade Taupe. I have been loving this little angled brush to do my eyebrows with. It's just the perfect shape and it's really small. It's way smaller than my other one, I think, and it's just like, oh. I'm pretty sure that's the least weird eyebrow I've ever done. You know, they sometimes look a little bit weird. Let's be real, my eyebrows look a little bit weird. That doesn't look weird. I feel like it's a really good shape. If, like me, you don't wear eyeliner, the eyeliner brush is actually really useful for tidying up your brows with like a bit of concealer underneath. You can still make use out of this brush. Okay, so those are my eyebrows done. I didn't do this one quite as well. I didn't get the like fade. I think we've got one good brow today, so that is an achievement. So I don't really wear eyeshadow on an everyday basis. However, I thought I would show you what I would do with my eyes if I was going to put eyeshadow on, because occasionally I do, you know, go all out and put a bit of eyeshadow on. I would normally grab this Maybelline eyeshadow palette. It's the one that was in collaboration with Gigi Hadid. I don't know if I'm saying it right. They're quite like neutral colours, but you've also got shimmers and mattes. You've kind of just got everything you need in this really tiny little palette. So I tend to just grab that because it's just really simple. So I start off with like the palest one here, and I just pop a little bit of that through my crease just to start us off. So it's just like a super natural colour, but on an everyday basis, that's all I can really be bothered to do. And then what I do, take a tiny little bit of this really dark colour. So you're kind of going from one extreme to the other, but I take the tiniest little bit on the same brush. And then I also just take the gold colour. This is one of like my favourite shimmer eyeshadows ever. I think it's so good. And I'm going to take the eyeshadow brush that is perfect for going on your lid. Then I'm just going to take the smallest eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to take my highlighter from earlier and just get a little bit on there. I'm just going to dot a bit of that in my inner corner. And also a little bit underneath my eyebrow. I think we are done. Oh no, we're not done. We've still got mascara and lips. I think we're done. I am now going to do my mascara, and this part isn't actually sponsored, but the mascara that I've been using ever since I tested it is the Iconic London mascara. This is their Boom Lash mascara, I think, and I just really like it. It's got a really small wand, so it's perfect for doing your bottom lashes, but then I was like, do you know what? It's also perfect for doing my top lashes because my eyes are so small. Yeah, I'm just going to put a bit of mascara on, and then I will be back. Such a good mascara. Like, look at them lashes. I'm now going to move on to my lips, and if I am going to put a lipstick on, it will always be this one. You guys probably saw this coming. It's the Makeup Revolution lipstick in the shade Vow, and it's just like a nude brown shade, and I just really like it. So just going to pop a bit of that on, and then we are done. Ta-da! We are done. This is how I do my makeup. These are the products that I use. These are the brushes that I now use on an everyday basis, and I know a lot of it is quite like new, like it's like new discoveries, but I just know that these have all made it into my everyday makeup routine, and they probably will stay for a very long time. So yeah, that is the video complete. Thank you so much to Iconic London for sponsoring this video. I have now found some amazing new brushes, and you guys are going to be seeing a lot more of these, and yeah, I'll have a link below to where you can go and buy them. Don't forget to use the 20% discount code if you want 20% off. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you very soon. Goodbye.